To determine the frontal plane QRS axis, I have come out with this small device which you can call as the frontal plane QRS-Axis-finder. This comes in two pieces. One is this piece with which you must be familiar because this has been redrawn from the textbook of medicine, Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine. And this is a small semicircle with a line drawn in between, and what I am doing here is that this has been fitted onto this. The principle on which this works is that in a given ECG, for example, this is the ECG over here. In a given ECG, you should only see what leads are showing the positive deflection, and if lead 1, 2 and 3 are showing positive deflections, 1, 2, 3, in addition AVL and AVF are showing positive deflections. So now what we do with our axis finder here is that we cover with this semicircle lead 1, 2, 3 and AVL, and here what it shows is this arrow here, it shows the direction of the axis of the frontal plane QRS. So this device is a very simple one, and whatever leads in your ECG, they are positive. You just keep covering them with this semicircle. For example, if your ECG shows lead 1, 2 and AVF positive, but if the lead 3 is negative, you just have to shift this semicircle slightly towards this side so as to expose the lead 3, and what you see here is the direction of the axis is about plus 10 degrees. If you have an ECG in which even the lead AVF is negative, then you shift it slightly towards the left, and then the axis becomes minus 10 degrees. If there is an ECG in which lead 1 is positive, lead AVL is positive, but lead 3, AVF and 2 are negative, then the axis is even more towards the left, because we have to now expose and only cover lead 1 and AVL, and then what you see is the direction of the axis is minus 60 degree or even more. Alright.